In the diagram, line AB is a tangent to the cycle with the center O. So this cycle has center O, and line AB is a tangent to that cycle. And the COB is a straight line, COB. So this is a very straight line from C to O to B is a straight line. And if line CD is parallel to line AB, CD is parallel to line AB as indicated by these arrowheads. And the size of angle ABE is 40 degrees. So the question is asking us to find the size of angle ODE. This is the angle we need to find finally. So let me attempt to answer this question. Solution to this: the angle we need to find is angle ODE, and the angle given only is this angle 40 degrees. So let me see what I can do so that in the end I find this. If I cannot get it straight away, I have to get some other angles that will lead me to get to this. So let me attempt to triangle angle OCD, this very angle, OCD, this angle. This angle is equals to 40 degrees, equals to this one, because these two lines are parallel, and line CB is cutting the two parallel lines, so it's a transversal. So this angle and this are now going to be alternate angles. So this angle will be 40, and reason is they are alternate angles. So I continue. So let me get angle ODC, this one. If O to C is radius, O to D is another radius, which means this triangle is a isosceles triangle, and a isosceles triangle has base angles equal. So if this is 40, this is also 40 because they are base angle of isosceles. So that angle ODC is also 40, and reason is they are base angle of isosceles triangle. I continue. This CE is a diameter, and this diameter subtend this angle CDE. So that angle CDE, this angle, this very angle is going to be 90 degrees because it's an angle subtended by a diameter at the remaining circumference. So we call it angle in semicircle. So CDE is going to be 90 degrees, and reason is angle in a semicircle. So the whole of this is now 90 degrees. But the question is requested us to find the angle ODE, this very angle. From here to here is 90, and this small angle is 40, which means if I remove 40 from 90, it will leave me with angle ODE, the one asked to find in the question. So angle ODE, I can get it now by simply subtracting 40 from 90. So I have 90 minus 40 degrees. This will leave me with angle ODE to be what? 50 degrees. So this angle ODE, the one asked to find in the question, is now 50 degrees. So with this I have answered the question. So let's say the mark distribution for this very question according to the official Waec marking scheme. And the first mark is the bonus mark for getting 40 degrees at angle OCD, this angle 40 degrees. Where you have it, you have bonus 1 mark. The next mark is for getting 90 degrees as angle CDE using angle in a semicircle, so you have bonus 1 mark. Then the next mark is the method mark for attempting to subtract this from this. You have the method mark, and for subtracting accurately to get 50 degrees exactly, you have the accuracy mark, A1 mark. So in total 4 marks are allocated to this very question in the official Waec marking scheme.